Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Concept is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile sanctuary designed for those who crave both adventure and comfort. With its sleek, futuristic design, state-of-the-art technology, and intelligent space utilization, this motorhome redefines the way we experience travel. Exterior design, a masterpiece on wheels. At first glance, the bold aerodynamic shape ensures reduced drag and better efficiency. The front fascia features a modern LED grille, seamlessly blending with matrix headlights for improved visibility. The panoramic side windows create an open, airy feel while offering breathtaking views of nature. A single sliding door grants entry, while the rear boasts a retractable awning, perfect for outdoor relaxation. Pros: stylish, aerodynamic, and designed for long-distance comfort. Cons: bulky size can make urban navigation tricky. Interior and dashboard: luxury meets practicality. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a plush lounge area with a convertible sofa. The single spacious shower is complemented by a well-designed toilet space, ensuring comfort on the go. The dashboard is digital first, featuring a large touchscreen with built-in navigation, weather updates, and smart home integration. Chevrolet's AI assistant helps manage travel plans effortlessly. Pros: smart technology, space efficiency, and elegant design. Cons: limited bathroom space, only one shower available. Performance and driving experience. The hybrid powertrain delivers 450 horsepower, ensuring smooth highway cruising. With self-leveling suspension, even rough terrains feel seamless. The top speed reaches 120 miles per hour, impressive for a vehicle of its size. Chevrolet promises a warranty of 5 years, ensuring peace of mind. Pros: powerful, efficient, and comfortable for long drives. Cons: requires frequent charging, refueling on extended trips. Final verdict: the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome Concept is the perfect fusion of adventure and luxury, ideal for retirees, digital nomads, and road trip enthusiasts. Competing with Winnebago and Mercedes-Benz Sprinter RVs, it stands out with its cutting-edge technology and refined aesthetics.